We just arrived at our resort. We haven't checked in yet, but this is pretty cool. So this is gonna be our hotel for this night. You know, there's a reason to go to different countries, and Laos definitely one of the reasons is the nature here. Vang Vieng is a quiet little village. The mountains that are surrounding this area are just incredible. This is absolutely next level. We are east of Vang Vieng and we are on our way to the Blue Lagoon 1. There are a couple of viewpoints here and lagoons, rice fields, mountains, and this is our ride for today. So we're here at the Blue Lagoon and the Pukham cave, and the tickets are 10,000 kip. The last time that we were here, I remember that the road was a complete dirt road then, and now it's all paved, so it's much easier to get here. So this is a big part of Vang Vieng. Water, river, swimming, tubing, and then you have all these little lagoons. I think there are 5 or 6 lagoons here. So one of the most popular things you can do in Vang Vieng is do a kayak tour. There are several tours that include tubing and going to different caves. You can go to the elephant cave and you can see the river is not really wild, and it's actually quite a nice experience. Here we are north of Vang Vieng at the Nam Song River, and this is the starting point of one of the kayak trips. Yeah, the town of Vang Vieng really changed a lot, in my opinion. It used to be very busy with backpackers and international tourists traveling through here from Vientiane towards Luang Prabang. But at the moment there are not so many tourists, which is normal. I mean, the whole industry got hit very hard by COVID, and Laos just opened in May of this year. And the first places, of course, where the main tourism is working again is Luang Prabang and Vientiane. So I think Vang Vieng just needs to wait a little bit. Anybody who's been here before, you might remember that you had a lot of guest houses where they were showing reruns of Friends night after night after night after night. And let me see if I can find that, if that's still there. Another thing which Vang Vieng is very famous for is the tubing. Hello! Oh, I can film you, no? Savaidi! Savaidi! Very nice. So these are these buggies that you can rent here, and you see them everywhere. And they are normally about 150,000 kip for an hour. And at the moment, one Thai baht gives you around 500 kip, which means 150,000 kip is about 300 baht. And yeah, I am thinking in baht because we live in Thailand. So I should actually come up with the exchange for dollars and euros, right? So I remember this was a very big tubing station. If you are wondering what is tubing, tubing is like an inner tube of a big wheel, and you can lie on it and float through the river. So this all used to be packed with guest houses, but I see a lot of the guest houses are closed now. There are a few restaurants still alive. There's another one of these tubing places. They do different tours now. It's buggy time. I understand from the local people here that the tourism was completely shut down for 2 years. So there was nobody coming in. Luang Prabang did get some tourism, Vientiane maybe, but this was completely down. So it's starting up again. I was thinking maybe I'm a bit early in the evening, but we were here last night as well. And there are no more Friends reruns, there are no more backpackers. So if you're a backpacker and you see this, come on, help these people out. Get on your traveling boots or shorts, your swimming pants, come tubing in Vang Vieng. I mean, you can still do it, but it's going to be in smaller groups. Yeah, the real adventurous travelers are already coming here, and I do not consider myself a real adventurous traveler. I just happen to live in Bangkok, and it's easy, especially with the high-speed train. So let's just drop in some culture as well. I just noticed this Buddha image here. You know, wherever you go, you have these big mountains in the back. Absolutely stunning place. The only thing is that it just needs people now. Without the people, there's not much left. Yes.
Are you in rush?
A little bit.
A little bit. Can you talk with us 5 or 10 minutes?
Yeah, what do you want to talk about?
This is my homework that the teacher gave us yesterday to do this. To challenge us. My name is Vincent.
Wisin.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Jalan.
Jalan.
Yes.
Jalan. Nice to meet you too.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Holland
Holland
or Netherlands.
or Netherlands. Oh, it's a nice country.
I think so.
Me too. Okay, next, how long have you been in here?
In Laos?
Yes.
This is my third day. Third. Yes. But I live in Thailand.
Live in Thailand.
Yes.
Where?
In Bangkok. In
Bangkok.
Krung Thep.
Oh, it's a big city.
Yes.
After you travel Vang Vieng, where
Yes.
will you go next?
I will go to Vientiane.
Vientiane.
Yes.
Have you been to Luang Prabang before?
Yes, we came before.
How was that place?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yes, I love it.
And what is the most place that you really love it?
In the whole world or here in Laos?
In Laos.
In Laos. I think I like Luang Prabang a lot. Really. Yes, I like this also because I like the mountains. It's very beautiful. But Luang Prabang is different. Luang Prabang is more about the temple and about the culture, the palace. Yes, you know. And this is more about the nature.
So I also love it.
Okay, good.
But I never been there.
Okay.
Yes.
You have to, you know, you can go now with the train.
Yes.
It's very easy, but costs money.
It's so hard to save money for go there.
Yeah. You want to go there?
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe in the future.
Buy a train ticket. For real.
Thank you very much.
It's like this. You have to save it and buy a train ticket to Luang Prabang.
Yes, okay.
Are you gonna do it?
Yes, okay.
For sure.
If I go there, I will send you the picture.
Okay, perfect.
Maybe in December.
Okay.
Maybe in December.
Okay.
Can I have your phone number? Oh,
Yes, of course. I will give you.
Today.
Yes, I will give it to you later.
Have you been somewhere in Vang Vieng?
In Vang Vieng, we went to the Blue Lagoon.
Bulagu.
Yes, Blue Lagoon 1. And we went to not so much. We were just going around a little bit.
So that is all my question that I prepared.
Okay. Well,
you
you have a very lucky day today, no? You're like, why don't I ask the question?
so thank you.
Yes, and you have to go.
You have to go.
Do you have a phone?
Phone, yes.
Yeah? Okay, I will give you my YouTube. That was funny. So they were doing a project for school and they need to talk with foreigners, which I think is quite cool. It's a very nice way for them to practice their English. And when he said that he's never been to Luang Prabang, why not? I hope he's gonna do it. You know, it's a big part of being, well, in my opinion, being part of the international community, of being a community in general, to try and help each other out. And it doesn't mean that I'm gonna give everybody money, but if you have a good feeling about something, why not? morning and in the evening you can do a balloon ride. And the views must be absolutely stunning from the balloon. We don't have time to try it, but from our hotel here we can see it. It's pretty cool. We rented our motorcycle here at Bank and I just brought it back. And this was a really good one, a Zoom automatic. So if you want to have a nice motorcycle, it was 150 kip. So I want to thank Kun Bank. And you're his wife or no?
Yeah.
Okay, Sawadee Krap. I hope you get many customers, huh? Okay, thank you. The second hotel that we stay here is the Vientara. And I have the feeling that I've been here before. And I think our old hotel used to be here, and then they tore it down and put this hotel in here. It's very good, nice rooms. So we are ready to leave Vang Vieng. So if you're looking for a destination with a lot of activities, so if you are into kayaking, or you want to go tubing, or you want to rent a buggy, you want to go with a balloon, you want to go ziplining, this is the place to be. And it's all about the nature. If you can see it in my back here, nature is all around. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding Vang Vieng in Laos. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.